I'm at Stockport, got about 45 minutes to wait because of the delays and everything, but in on platform 2 now is a class 185 122 Transpennine Express going to Cleethorpes. Excuse me. Now, I've never seen a class 185 before. As it's here, I'm going to get this one green video. I do like the look of that livery. The blue, the sky blue, the purple. Yeah, that is nice, and it is a smart looking engine. That's going off to Cleethorpes by Grimsby. Anyone who's going to Grimsby, I feel sorry for you. Yeah, that is a nice looking train. Good work, Transpennine. And over there is the one I probably should have eventually got in on from Wilmslow. I'd got on the early northern one, which is the fancy West Coast Express, which looks all right as well. And the next. So the next train here on platform 2 is the 1333 service to Bournemouth. Nice. That's running a minute late. That's a cross-country service. Okay. So Macclesfield, Stoke, Stafford, Birmingham twice, Coventry, Leamington Spa, Banbury, Oxford, Reading, Basingstoke, Winchester, Southampton Airport, Southampton Central and Bournemouth. That sounds like an alright route actually, but only 4 coaches. That could be packed. And Stockport has got a platform 0. So over the far side we've got something coming, Hazel Grove, northern one coming in on platform 5, a class 156. 13 coming in to platform 5, calling at Devonport, Woodswart and Hazel Grove. Now, obviously, Stockport could well be quite a busy station now. I'm not going to say it's a little station, it's got like 6 or 7 platforms. If you factor in platform 0, excuse me, yes, if there is one advantage to the train being delayed, I can do train spotting and just do a little bit of filming like this. And this one will say is about to depart. There we go. So that's the 146 Northern service. Then you've got far side, slightly more modern looking platform. Oh, hang on. That's platform 0. The platform 0 is slightly more modern than the others. Yes, there is platform 0 here at Stockport. Background to me. And the next one coming in on platform, wherever we are then, is going to Nottingham. Yeah, platform 0.
We are sorry that the 1319 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly is delayed by approximately 17 minutes. This is due to a late-coming train being in front of Bristol. We apologise for this.
That one has only got 4 stops. East Midlands Railway, Sheffield,
You are arrived the yellow line.
So Nottingham, there's Sheffield, Chesterfield, Alfreton and Nottingham, and East Midlands Railway Service. Okay. I've actually got chosen quite, but being flicked in somehow, it's a bit of luck of plenty of different trains and engines and whatnot here at Stockport. I'm actually quite liking the look of Stockport Station. Having got that, having luck, well, is it luck? I mean, I prefer to have had more time doing Navigation Road. I'm still navigating my way there, but sometimes having a little bit of a delay like this to see how I wander around and see what the action is quite good. Yeah. So yes, this is definitely the furthest north I've ever filmed. Oh, there's a nice old signal box there as well. Bottom of wherever platforms it is. So you've got a cross-country service departing now. I'm still sitting over there, is that really smart Class 331? Excuse me. So you've got a signal box there. So if you just look straight down, as far as we can go, but yeah. One. It's amazing how you've got so few lines there, but it all just spread out into what is one actually quite a large station. I would say it's smaller than Temple Meads, and I would guess it's probably quieter than Temple Meads. But given I haven't actually ever looked at the passenger numbers for Stockport, I wouldn't know. Yeah, that 331015, that is really smart. So actually now, already looking forward to doing Let's Visit Stockport. It might be nice on a warmer day, I think it's cold. But yeah. Stockport, you've definitely got a mixture of the older stuff and newer bits, like the older canopies over the main platforms, mixed in with the modern a bit for Platform Zero. One of only about 8 Platform Zeros in the whole country. Random facts of the day for you. Right, my next one down to Navigation Road is 14:19. So yeah, I am a little bit behind schedule, but thankfully I'm pretty sure the trams are about every 6 minutes, so that's not actually a problem. I'll be able to get into Altrincham, do Let's Visit Altrincham, and come back and do Let's Visit Navigation Road while I'm waiting for the train back into Stockport to then get back down to Newport to get home. Let's see if I can.
May I have your attention, please? Platform 1. We are sorry to announce that the 1352 Northern service to Alderhead has been cancelled.
There's quite a few delays and cancellations here as well. Yeah, that's all partly because of the weather.
We are sorry that the 13:40 Northern service to
This is still saying page 1 of
Manchester
2.
Piccadilly is delayed by approximately 11 minutes. This is due to trespassers on the railway. For this late
I can always look
and
at,
the inconvenience this may
what's
cause
it
you.
called? Right, mine's still not up there. I can always look at real-time trains to work out where mine's going. Right, it's definitely chilly. I need, so I'm going to go and wrap this long section up. Just give a little walking tour of Stockport station. And I will come back to you when we leave to head down to complete this leg of the, well, actually what is going to be the final bit of the day. I never said I was navigating my way back home. It was just navigating to Navigation Road. That's what I'll be doing. Oh dear. Yes, I will talk to everybody later on. So right here we've got the cross-country service to Paignton, 2221119, going from Manchester Piccadilly to Paignton. So in a few minutes after this will finally be my train down to complete today's video, which is, as I said at the start of the day, navigating to Navigation Road. Excuse me. Then we've got a 5-car cross-country service here going to Paignton. So you'll get down to Temple Meads, then after Temple Meads it will stop at Tivy Parkway, Exeter St David's, Newton Abbott. I don't think it stops at Torquay. I mean, it terminates at Paignton. Yes, Stockport. I forget how we said, but I actually do like Stockport as a station. It is a nice station. It's busy. There's a variety of trains and providers and whatnot to see coming in all the time. I've seen cross country, northern. I didn't see the East Midlands Railway, but I know it did come in. Plus, you've had Avanti West Coast stuff coming through. So yeah, and all manner of engines as well. So we've got the Class 221 here. Then we've also had the 156 Northerns. You've got that really smart one up wherever it is. But if anyone ever wants to come out train spotting for a day, I would highly recommend Stockport. And here we go. It looks like, yep, the cross-country service to Paignton is now officially on its way to its next stop. And there we go, little piece of peace and tranquility for about 5 minutes. Then we get a 2-car, I'm not quite sure what it's going to be, might be a 323, might be something else, which will then take us down to Navigation Road. And after that we'll have to play around with times and see what the action is. Yeah, it's 14:19. Is the one for me. I was looking at how wide the gap is between what we've got here on platform 2 and over on platform 3. I wonder if maybe at one point they'll just went straight through. Maybe. Who knows? Maybe not. There you've got northern thing coming in over on platform 4 or 5 maybe over the far side. And of course, someone's commented, let's visit Exmouth, that he actually spotted me here at Stockport. This is amazing. Right. I was on page 2 of 2. Yes, that class 331 over in the bay platform. That I do really like the look of. That looks really, really smart. Platform, hold on, I don't know, Chester's what I want, I'm on the right platform. I always think I had to swap platforms, but no I don't. 2 minutes late, I can cope with that. Let's just cut through. So, Chester, calling at Navigation Road, Altrincham, Hale, Ashley, Mobberley, Knutsford, Plumley, Quite, Northwick, Greenbank, Cuddington, Delamere, Molesworth and Chester. My God, there's some interesting place names there. And this video is going to be longer than I thought. I might actually put this one and the other Stockport station walk one I've done as a separate bonus video just called Trains at Stockport, or I was delayed at Stockport, and make this into its own little video. It doesn't really fit in with the Navigated to Navigation Road video. So that'll be something to work out when I come to edit it all together and piece it all together. I'm doing this on the, I'm not actually doing this but on my phone. I'm doing this on the camera Mum kindly got me a little while ago. Having worked out how to connect it up to the PC to download the footage, I'm now going to use it a lot more often. Can't help me, we're dying. We get there, goes the Northern Service. One of the older style ones, could be a 156. There's a 150. Look at that aeroplane. Yeah, do you just like the way it's like 4 lines coming across the bridge there, wherever it is, then it suddenly spreads out into like 7 lines coming to the station. Excuse me. And my train should be here in a few minutes' time. One final look down at Stockport station from the bottom end. Yes, this is Stockport station. If you wanted the evidence, there we go, Stockport. We've still got lots of snow in the middle of the tracks as well, and quite a bit of action on the platform still as well. But compared to like Wilmslow, it's just a light dusting. Wilmslow was white, apart from like the undercover bits, which were thankfully quite clear. Aha! I don't think that's my train coming in.
Platform number 1 for crew, collect crew, Hancock, Wilmslow, the end Shelford Goose Street, hold the chapel, stretch
No, the
to
one
crew,
that's
platform number 1, into the stations to crew. This is a customer now transpending passengers on platform 2, awaiting the 1440 Transport for Wales service to Cardiff Central. This service has been cancelled this afternoon. Therefore, any passengers travelling stations to Cardiff Central, you are advised to please board the next train to arrive to platform number 1 and change at crew for onward connections. That's any passengers travelling to Shrewsbury, Motherwell, Hempstead,
that's the
Daventry,
Northern Service to
Portsmouth,
Crewe.
Newry, Cumbria, Newport and Cardiff Central.
Class
Change to
323.
arrive to platform number 1 and change at crew for onward connections.
Ooh, there's distinct possibility then that my train back might get cancelled. That'll be fun.
Platform 2, Chester, collect navigation route option from here, Ashton, Goblin, Goblin, also in grey now.
I've just heard what I wanted to hear. Navigation Road.
Platform number 2, Eastern stations to Chester.
Yeah, you can see that. Right, to come in on platform 2 is the Chester service. So from here at Stockport, it's one stop down the line, down to Navigation Road, and it's the two carriage 150. So I better get the skates on.